that turbo. Oh! I didn't have the hood latch. What's up? It is Casey from Casey's Customs. In this video, we are going to give a car away to a father and son who are a subscriber of the channel for absolutely free. They're on their way right now. Let's go grab it and get it on a trailer. So we did a random drawing that was completely free, $0 to get entered. For one of my subscribers, because I hit 100K here on YouTube, I did the drawing a week ago on Christmas. The winner was Grayson and Bob Tickle. Oh my God, I'm so anxious. I'm so anxious. Ready? Here we go. Grayson Tickle. Grayson Tickle. I love your hot rod build so much, would love to do one myself. They are a father and son squad who watch the channel together, and sure enough, I touched base with them probably a week ago. They said they're gonna come get it sometime themselves. I said, perfect. Well, they called me a little bit ago. They're gonna be here in about an hour. So let's hop in the 51 and go get it loaded on a trailer. I figured since we're giving away a 54, we should kind of keep it in that same style. So I'm gonna drive the 51 up there. Let's go. God damn, that thing looks good. Let's go get the 54 out. What a cool looking car, man. I love this fucking thing. I just now got to the old man's house. I'm getting ready to get it all unloaded. I was trying to get here an hour before they got here, and sure enough, they just called me. They're actually here right now. So I'm gonna go meet with them. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get it out and show it to the winner. Man, if he would just run it straight off the trailer, it'd be perfect for YouTube. Just knock his dad into the van, be great. Doing good. Oh! You were doing great. Hey, that was the hard part. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh! Oh, good. Kill it. It is all loaded up. I am here with Bob and Grayson Tickle. They are the winners. Tell me what the plans are for your free 1954 Chevy.
Just kind of drive it around, cruise it, car shows and everything, and just build it as we go. Do a couple updates on TikTok maybe. Nice. And just kind of figure it out.
Perfect. Couldn't said it any better. Sounds great. I am very impressed that you got it up on the trailer too, because I said to run it through and hit the van, but he didn't, so he did good.
Probably should have filmed that.
I had it going, trust me. I don't thank you guys very much. Check it out. It is gone. We are starting 2023 off pretty damn great. It is January 1st, and I just gave away a badass 1954 hot rod to one of my subscribers, a father and son actually, for completely free. And that's pretty damn badass. I'm very excited about it. They're gonna be sending me videos to kind of show me the progress of the car, and I couldn't be more excited. This could not have been done without each and every single one of you liking the videos, watching the videos, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. So thank you to all of you. So at this point of the video, I had said, hey, everything worked out great. I love each and every one of you for subscribing. I'm gonna hop in the 51 now. We're gonna do a big old burnout. It's gonna be the end of the video. Well, that was the plan. I left my dad's, and well, you're gonna see what happened next. Oh, shit! We gotta let that turbo, oh, shit! Oh!
No! God, please, no!
Ah! Oh, shit! I didn't have the hood latched. That was a doozy. We're gonna have to get a new hood. I fucking caved it in, holy shit. Oh my God, I hope I got that on camera. That was great. We're gonna limp her home now. Hopefully it doesn't come off again. If he would just run it straight off the trailer, it'd be perfect for YouTube. Just knock his dad into the van, be great. So, I was leaving Dad's. I was happy that we just gave the 54 away. I forgot that I took the hood off to check the oil while I was up there at Dad's, and I punched it, and the turbo kicked in, and this hood just started flying like a bird. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not, but believe it or not, it actually didn't get hurt until I ran it over. I ended up running it over. But you know what? I think I can fix it. Let's see what we can do. Considering the fact I just ran this over like 30 minutes ago, that's not too bad. I'll take it. We need to do some paint work though. Great news, the hood ended up being okay. I just had to do a little bit of hammer and dolly work on it. It's fine. It definitely needs body work and paint, but it's close enough. Hell, it's a rat rod. It looks fine. That is not how I wanted to end this video, but that is hilarious. I'm so happy it went forward and didn't go backward. As I watched the video a couple times afterward, I was like, oh God, that could have been so bad if it came back into the window, but thank God it didn't. I will definitely make sure I get it latched from now on. But yeah, like I said, not how I wanted to end the video. So happy that we gave the 54 away to somebody that really, really wanted it. I told them on the phone, I said, hey, I probably have 10 different people that would like to buy it from you. And the kid and the dad both said, no, we want it. I said, you know, there's been some pretty good offers. You can probably get $7 grand out of it. He said, no, we want it. We want to get it home. So that is super cool. I really love giving something away to somebody that actually wants it, wants to enjoy it. The kid, whenever we first got there, he was just in shock, like he wasn't talking. He was just like walking around it. He wouldn't say anything. And even the mom came over to me and she goes, he's never been this quiet his whole life. So that was really, really cool. They really loved it. When I talked to the dad on the phone, when I first called them to tell them they were the winner and everything, the dad asked me like 3 times, he goes, so this isn't a scam? And I was like, no, it's, he goes, so this is real. I was like, yeah, this is real. He goes, that's crazy. We watch all the time, but I didn't think it was real. I said, yeah, it's real. So sure enough, they ended up coming and getting it. And what a great start to 2023. I know I've probably said it before. I could not do something like this without each and every one of you liking, subscribing, watching the videos. Just the ad money that we get from the videos is enough to do all this crazy shit that we're doing lately. We have so many cool projects. This C10 is now going to be a full-blown build. I just bought nitrous for the twin turbo Mustang, and this build here is really, really close to my heart. I got my grandpa's Harley. I've never really built a Harley before. I built a couple choppers 10 years ago, so that's gonna be a fun one that we're gonna learn together on. I'm gonna be definitely asking you guys for help on that one because I don't know. Really starting the year off right, and I'm very happy. If you are not already subscribed, please hit that button now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment, all that good stuff I tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you.